Hello everyone, welcome to Young Mind the Knowledge Hub. Today we will see simple and best way to cover current affairs for UPSC aspirants. Current affairs have become very important for present state of examination of UPSC. Many questions is prelims, mains and interviews are based on current affairs only. Then what is current affair? It can be anything important to our syllabus in news and any government policies, programs, achievement or anything important related to India or world. In simple word, we can say everything under the sky. Then why it is important? UPSC always like to check the awareness of students of their surroundings. Current happenings are very much related to governance of which we are going to be part of. So it is of interest of UPSC, so we need to be thorough with current affairs. How to prepare current affairs? We will go step by step for this. In step 1, read daily newspaper. That is must and should. That may be Hindu or Indian Express. If we have time, then you can read Hindu and as well as Indian Express too. And try to make notes of it. Not more than 1 page per day. Not lengthy answer or essay type answer, just point wise notes. And just make notes from prelims point of view. Just note down any important places in news, any important events, any schemes, policy, program by government like this. And any national park, Ramsar site, etc. in news, just make note of it. With this, you can follow any online medium for daily current affairs. For example, Insights. They provide everyday current affairs. Make note of it. Every day from prelims point of view only. Remember this. This will cover your daily current affairs. In the step 2, here we will cover current affairs for month. Here you should read any monthly magazine. For example, Vision, Insight, Vajra, etc. You can choose any one. This will cover all those news not covered by our daily notes. Mainly environment and science and technology. This will give us coverage of entire current affairs. In step 3, in this stage we will go exam specific. For prelims, in addition to step 1 and step 2, following things can be done to improve our marks in prelims. I am giving the list according to priority. One should follow according to the time they have. The first one is PT Vision IAS, PT of Insights for Environment and Economic, and various organizations by IAS for sure, and Insight Daily Current Affair Quiz, and PIB Gist by IAS Baba. For mains, daily notes making is not important as prelims. Monthly magazines you should read. In addition to these, following sources are very useful for mains. That is, one is Vision IAS Mains 365, that is very important, and second one is Insight Secure Synopsis. You can extract days, example case study recommendation from here. Above two are trusted and tested sources by many, and you can totally trust on them for mains. And for interview, current affairs happening at the time of interview, it can be covered from newspaper only. Read at least 3 newspaper, that is Hindu, Indian Express and Times of India. And some tips or precautions are strictly adhered to the syllabus while preparing for current affairs. And it is impossible to cover each and everything of current affairs, but you should go for maximum. And limited sources is best. You should add more sources according to your time. So all the best. For more videos related to UPSC preparation and video lectures, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want any video lectures on particular subject or topic, let me know in the comment section below. Take care and bye bye.